Hi and welcome to the 8th video on kinematics. In today's video we will have free fall. Now free falling objects is when an object is moving from a certain height to the ground and is being influenced only by the pull of gravity. So our question today reads, raindrops fall to the ground from a cloud 1.7 kilometers above the Earth's surface. If they were not slowed by air resistance, how fast would the raindrops be moving when they struck the ground? Let's begin by visualizing this situation. We have a cloud here. Please bear with my cloud. Then we have the ground. We are told that a raindrop at this height, which is 1.7 kilometers above the Earth's surface. What other information do we have? Because this raindrop is falling under the influence of gravity, the acceleration is 9.8 meters per square second. What other information do we have? We also know that the initial velocity is 0 because this raindrop is part of a cloud which is stationary, so the initial velocity is 0. The displacement or the height is 1.7 kilometers. And what are we looking for? The question is asking us for how fast would the drops be moving when they struck the ground. So around when they reach the ground, how fast would it be moving? So that's v, or the final velocity, is what we are looking for. Okay, based on this information, which kinematic equation can we use? Let's try using velocity equals v naught plus acceleration times time. This is equal to our initial velocity is 0, our acceleration is 9.8. Oh, but wait a minute, we don't have time, so this equation can't work. We go back and try and look for another equation. Let's try v squared is equal to v naught squared plus 2as. Initial velocity is 0 squared plus 2. Our acceleration is 9.8 and the displacement is 1.7 kilometers. But wait, we have to convert this to meters. So this is 1,700 meters. This becomes 0 plus, what's 2 times 9.8 times 1,700? That's 33,320. This gives us 33,320. Now remember, this is velocity squared. To get the actual velocity, we take the square root on both sides, leaving us with velocity is equal to 182.5 meters per second. That means that when the raindrop falls from the sky, comes down at this point, its initial velocity was 0 when it was with the cloud, but when it gets to the bottom, its final velocity is 182.5 meters per second.